Dear viewers of our channel, we will be glad if you share your test results in the comments. Thank you. Enjoy watching. The official motto of this country is "Let it rain." Mali, Niger, Botswana, Sudan. Botswana. 70% of the territory of this country in South Africa is occupied by the Kalahari Desert. The state's motto is "Let it rain." Which cells are the most in the composition of human blood? White blood cells, red blood cells, lymphocytes, platelets. Red blood cells. What is the market situation when the power is in the hands of a small number of firms? Monopoly, oligopoly, monopoly, polypoly. Oligopoly is a variant of imperfect competition in which a small number of large sellers are present on the market. What is the name of the spread of an infectious disease that affects several countries or continents? Endemic, epidemic, epiphytia, pandemic. A pandemic is an unusually strong epidemic characterized by the spread of an infectious disease throughout the country, the territory of neighboring states, and sometimes many countries of the world. Which part of the brain is responsible for vision? Frontal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe. The occipital lobes of the brain are responsible for vision. Which of these elements is included in the chemical composition of snowflakes? Hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, helium. Hydrogen is part of the chemical composition of snowflakes. How many edges does a cube have? 6, 8, 10, 12. The cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Which reptile has a 4-chamber heart? Crocodile, turtles, lizards, chameleon. The crocodile's heart has 2 atria and 2 ventricles, completely separated by a septum. In Scotland, the first person to cross the threshold of the house in the new year. A man in traditional clothes. A man with good wine. Dark-haired man. And if he brought with him good whiskey, salt, shortbread cookies and charcoal, then there will be no limit to happiness in the new year. In which ocean is the deepest place in the world? The Mariana Trench, Indian, Atlantic, Arctic, Pacific. Mariana Trench is an oceanic deep-water trough in the western Pacific Ocean, the deepest known on Earth. In what sport is the Stanley Cup awarded? Tennis, cycling, hockey, football. Stanley Cup Hockey Prize, which is awarded annually to the winner of the National Hockey League playoff series. Who is the ruler of the state of Monaco? Prince, the Grand Duke, the King, Sultan. The form of government of the Principality of Monaco is a hereditary constitutional monarchy, with some secondary signs of dualism. What color does the ring on the Olympic flag symbolize Europe? Red, yellow, green, blue. The sky-colored ring points to Europe, the part of the world where the Olympic movement originated. For which profession were the very first ballpoint pens made? Journalists, pilots, divers, teachers. The first ballpoint pen was invented by the Hungarian journalist Laszlo József. What is the American Statue of Liberty holding in its hand? Sword, banner, torch, the spear. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most famous statues in the world. She stands in New York and looks towards the ocean. Svoboda is dressed in the clothes of antiquity, holding a torch in one hand and a tablet with a mysterious inscription in the other. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. We will be glad to see you again. Good luck.